Man, oh man, this whole Elon Musk Twitter saga just keeps getting better and better and better. And the newest update there is Elon Musk literally just offered to buy 100% of Twitter, literally the entire thing. Now, obviously, this could have big implications, not only on Twitter and the Twitter shareholders, but big tech and maybe even a little bit of freedom of speech. So let's dive into everything that you need to know. So here's the skinny on the situation. In the early morning on Thursday, April 14th, Elon tweeted out, "I made an offer." And the TLDR version of that is right here. Elon Musk offers to buy Twitter for $43 billion so it can be transformed as a private company. And this is continuing the rhetoric of, hey, his push for having a digital forum that truly cares about freedom of speech. And I think he's even doubling, tripling, quadrupling down, obviously putting his money where his mouth is in the actual filing itself. Some interesting details that I want to quickly go over. So on April 13th, 2022, it's a non-binding proposal to acquire all of the outstanding stock. It's an all cash offer. That's a lot of cash, 54.20, which then equates to 43 billion. And obviously, depending on the date that you're comparing Twitter's stock price to, it is obviously a very nice premium. 54% premium relative to January 28th and a 38% premium to April 1st. And this is why it's important. And we have some interesting, I guess, communication between Elon and then also the chairman of the board, Brett Taylor. This is his message to him. "I invested in Twitter as I believe in its potential to be a platform for free speech around the globe, and I believe free speech is a societal imperative for a functioning democracy. However, since making my investment, I now realize the company will neither thrive nor serve this societal imperative in its current form. Twitter needs to be transformed as a private company." I have to admit, in my own personal estimation, I 100% agree with this. Before, when we were talking about what is Elon going to do, there was one case where maybe he was a troll and he was just going to forget about it. He could have been slowly buying more shares off of the market, but then the company could have poison pilled him, as in diluting it, so he would have never gotten to the voting share that he needed. Well, it looks like he went with option number 3 of just he was tendering an offer, which you're seeing right here. And it seems like his driving forces, he says we need a digital platform that actually puts freedom of speech at the utmost imperative. And to me, that's sounding pretty good. As a result, I am offering to buy 100% of Twitter for $54.20 per share in cash, $43 billion, a 54% premium over the day before Elon began investing in Twitter, and a 38% premium over the day before the investment was publicly announced. My offer is my best and final offer, and if it is not accepted, I would need to reconsider my position as a shareholder. Twitter has extraordinary potential. I will unlock it. What's interesting is this final sentence here. I would need to reconsider my position as a shareholder. A little bit of a threat. And then we have more information on what that best and final offer is. "I am not playing the back and forth game. I have moved straight to the end. It's a high price and your shareholders will love it. If the deal doesn't work, given that I don't have confidence in management, nor do I believe I can drive the necessary change in the public market, I would need to reconsider my position as a shareholder." This is not a threat. A little bit of a threat. It's simply not a good investment without the changes that need to be made. And those changes wouldn't happen without taking the company private. So here's what's going on. Elon is trying to buy all of Twitter, $43 billion, $54.20 a share, taking it private and turning it into something that actually cares about freedom of speech, calling out the management, saying, hey, they are not the right people for the job. And I have to admit, it looks like our boy Elon is absolutely dunking on Twitter and particularly their leadership team. Obviously, these are my own opinions. I would love to get your thoughts in a comment below.